To class nursery. How many days are there in a week? I repeat my question. How many days are there in a week? 7 is the right answer. My second question goes to class LKG. What is the capital of India? New Delhi is the right answer. My third question goes to class UKG. Which shape has 3 sides? I repeat my question. Which shape has 3 sides? This question passes to class 1. Triangle is the right answer. My fourth question goes to class 1. Which is the national bird of India? Peacock is the right answer. My fifth question goes to class 2. In which direction does the sun set? I repeat my question. In which direction does the sun set? West is the right answer. My sixth question goes to class 3. Which is the smallest country in world? I repeat my question. Which is the smallest country in the world? This question passes to class 4 to 5. Vatican City is the right answer. My seventh question goes to class 4. Which organ purifies the blood? I repeat my question. Which organ purifies the blood? This question passes to class 5 to 6. Which organ purifies the blood? Kidney is the right answer. My eighth question goes to class 5. What is the folk dance of Assam? I repeat my question. What is the folk dance of Assam? Bihu is the right answer. My ninth question goes to class 6. Which is the only batsman who scored 2 centuries in T20 World Cup? Chris Gayle is the right answer. My 10th question goes to class 7. What is the full form of AI? Artificial intelligence is the right answer. My 11th question goes to class 8. Who is the only bowler to get back-to-back purple cap in IPL season? I repeat my question. Who is the only bowler to get back-to-back purple cap in IPL season? This question passes to class 9 to 10. Who is the only bowler to get back-to-back purple cap in IPL season? Bhuvneshwar Kumar is the right answer. My 12th question goes to class 9. Who painted the famous Mona Lisa painting? I repeat my question. Who painted the famous Mona Lisa painting? Leonardo da Vinci is the right answer. My 13th question goes to class 10. What is the full form of ICSC? I repeat my question. What is the full form of ICSC? ICSE. Indian Certificate of Secondary Education is the right answer. My 14th question